Avoid these 8 common mistakes when you use garlic. Do you really know all the secrets of this amazing food? Garlic is not just a cooking spice, but a real health booster with solid scientific evidence that proves its health benefits. To fully utilize its potential, it is essential to use it correctly. In this guide, we will discover the 8 most common mistakes in using garlic, along with tips to get the most out of it. The 6th mistake will surprise you. It's a habit that many people have without even realizing it. Among the biggest supporters of garlic's benefits is Dr. Barbara O'Neill. For those who don't know her, Dr. O'Neill is an international natural health expert, known for her holistic approach to healing through diet and a healthy lifestyle. With many years of experience, she emphasizes the importance of food as a tool to prevent and cure diseases. In her studies, she defines garlic as one of the most powerful foods, appreciated not only for its nutrients, but also for its extraordinary therapeutic properties. According to Dr. O'Neill, garlic is a precious natural remedy. It strengthens the immune system, promotes cardiovascular health, and fights infections. A true ally for the well-being of the body and overall balance. Mistake number 8, cooking garlic for too long. The main active ingredient in garlic, allicin, known for its health benefits, is very sensitive to heat. Cooking it for too long or at high temperatures can destroy its essential compounds. This reduces its health benefits and changes its taste, often making it bitter. To keep garlic's good qualities, it's best to add it at the end of cooking or use it in low-heat recipes like sauces or quick fries. Experts suggest limiting cooking time to under 5 minutes and keeping the temperature between 140 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, a helpful tip is to let chopped or crushed garlic rest for about 10 minutes before using it. This helps allicin form, increasing the health benefits. Mistake number 7, eating garlic on an empty stomach. Many people choose to eat raw garlic on an empty stomach, believing in its health benefits. However, this practice can have unwanted effects, especially for those who suffer from gastrointestinal problems. Garlic is a very potent food, and on an empty stomach, it can irritate the lining of the stomach and intestines, causing symptoms such as heartburn, pain, or abdominal discomfort. In individuals with gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux, this irritation can significantly worsen symptoms. In some cases, consuming garlic on an empty stomach can cause nausea or even vomiting. Another critical aspect is its effect on blood pressure. Garlic is known to help lower blood pressure, but when taken on an empty stomach, it could cause a sudden drop, leading to dizziness or fainting. Additionally, eating raw garlic exposes you to side effects, such as bad breath and a lingering body odor, often difficult to get rid of. To reduce these risks, it is best to consume garlic along with other foods. This protects the stomach and intestines and helps prevent adverse reactions. Mistake number 6, swallowing whole garlic cloves. A common mistake is eating whole garlic cloves, which actually prevents one of its main benefits, the formation of allicin. This compound is essential for garlic's therapeutic properties, like its ability to fight infections, reduce inflammation, and act as an antioxidant. However, allicin is only produced when garlic is crushed, minced, or chopped. These actions activate an enzyme that triggers the chemical reaction needed to release allicin. When cloves are swallowed whole, this reaction doesn't happen effectively, significantly reducing garlic's benefits. Additionally, whole cloves often pass through the digestive system without being fully digested, further limiting the absorption of active compounds and nutrients. To get the most out of garlic's properties, it's best to mince or crush it and let it sit for about 10 minutes before eating. This allows time to activate the allicin, maximizing its therapeutic benefits. Mistake number 5, ignoring how garlic and medications can affect each other. Even though garlic has many benefits, it's important to know that it can interact with some medications. One important thing to remember is how garlic affects blood thinners, like warfarin. Garlic naturally thins the blood, and eating a lot of it, especially while on blood thinners, can significantly increase the risk of bleeding. In serious cases, this could lead to internal bleeding, a life-threatening condition that needs immediate medical attention. You also need to be careful with blood pressure medications. Garlic is known to lower blood pressure, and combining it with blood pressure-lowering medications can cause your blood pressure to drop too low. This could lead to dizziness, weakness, and even fainting. So if you're taking any medications, especially blood thinners or blood pressure medications, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding a lot of garlic to your diet. This simple step can help you avoid unpleasant side effects and stay safe and healthy. Mistake number 4, choosing pickled garlic. While pickled garlic is a convenient option, it has several drawbacks that limit its benefits. During the process of pickling in vinegar or brine, the levels of allicin, the active ingredient responsible for garlic's therapeutic properties, are drastically reduced. As a result, its health benefits are significantly compromised. Additionally, pickled garlic is often high in salt, an ingredient that, if consumed in excess, can contribute to high blood pressure, heart disease, and water retention, especially in those who are predisposed. Another thing to consider is the presence of chemical preservatives added to extend its shelf life. These additives can cause allergic reactions or stomach problems, especially if consumed frequently or in large quantities. To get the most out of garlic's properties, it is best to use fresh garlic, which preserves its beneficial compounds and guarantees a more intense and natural flavor to your dishes. Mistake number 3, not washing garlic before use. Garlic, like any other food, can be contaminated with dirt, pesticides, or harmful microorganisms like bacteria and fungi present on the surface of the bulb. If it's not washed properly before use, these contaminants can transfer to kitchen utensils, hands, and other ingredients, increasing the risk of cross-contamination and foodborne illnesses. This is especially important for non-organic garlic, which may contain pesticide residues. Long-term intake of these compounds has been linked to health problems, such as hormonal imbalances and a higher risk of developing certain chronic diseases, including cancer. To avoid these risks, it's important to wash garlic under running water before using it. This simple practice removes impurities and potential contaminants, ensuring safer and healthier consumption. Mistake number 2, storing garlic incorrectly. Storing garlic the right way is super important to keep it fresh, flavorful, and good for you. If you keep garlic in a damp or stuffy place, it can grow mold and bad stuff that can make you sick. Eating that can cause some serious tummy troubles. Also, if you keep garlic in a hot and humid place, it won't be as good for you because the good stuff inside, like allicin, will break down. To keep your garlic fresh and safe, keep it in a cool, dry place with good airflow. Baskets or mesh bags are great because they let the air flow around the garlic and keep it from getting damp. This will make your garlic last longer and keep its flavor and all those good-for-you benefits. Mistake number 1, using pre-peeled garlic. Pre-peeled garlic, although convenient, has several significant drawbacks. During the peeling process and subsequent storage, the garlic is exposed to oxygen, which speeds up the breakdown of allicin, its main beneficial compound. This leads to a significant reduction in the therapeutic properties of garlic. Moreover, peeled garlic is more vulnerable to contamination by bacteria and fungi, especially if not stored properly. Even the flavor suffers. Pre-peeled garlic tends to lose its characteristic aroma and its texture becomes softer, negatively impacting the quality of culinary preparations. To ensure maximum flavor and benefits, it is preferable to use fresh garlic, peeled immediately before use. This preserves its nutritional properties and ensures a more intense and authentic culinary experience. How to use garlic for maximum benefit. Now that we've seen the common mistakes, let's find out how to get the most out of garlic. The recommended amount is 1 or 2 cloves a day. This amount is enough to guarantee benefits without risking irritation to your stomach. This amount ensures a balanced intake of allicin and other active compounds. To help activate the allicin, it's helpful to mince or crush the garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before using it. When cooking, it's recommended to add it only in the last few minutes, avoiding exposing it to heat for more than 5 minutes. This way, its beneficial properties are preserved. By adopting these simple tips, garlic becomes a valuable ally for your health and a must-have ingredient in the kitchen. If you've made it this far in the video, we have a surprise for you. A list of the top 10 health benefits of garlic. Benefit number 1, it strengthens the immune system. Thanks to its active compounds, garlic helps strengthen the body's natural defenses, helping to prevent illnesses like colds and the flu. Benefit number 2, it protects the heart. Garlic promotes cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. These effects help prevent heart disease and improve blood circulation, supporting a stronger heart. Benefit number 3, antioxidant action. Rich in antioxidants, garlic fights free radicals, protecting cells and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including some types of cancer. Benefit number 4, improves digestion. Garlic supports a healthy digestive process thanks to its antibacterial properties, eliminating harmful bacteria in the stomach and intestines. This helps maintain a balanced and functioning digestive system. Benefit number 5, reduces inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic helps reduce swelling and pain, offering relief to those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Benefit number 6, regulates blood sugar levels. Numerous studies have shown that garlic can help stabilize blood sugar levels. It does this by improving insulin sensitivity and keeping glucose under control, essential support for those living with diabetes. Benefit number 7, fights bacterial and fungal infections. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of garlic make it effective in fighting bacterial and fungal infections, including those resistant to antibiotics. It also helps strengthen the immune system, preventing recurring infections. Benefit number 8, strengthens bone health. Garlic is a valuable ally for improving bone density, essential for preventing osteoporosis, especially in menopausal women. Regular consumption promotes a strong and resistant bone structure over time. Benefit number 9, increases physical performance. Garlic is known to improve physical endurance and reduce fatigue. It can support the body during intense workouts and accelerate post-activity recovery, reducing the risk of muscle injuries and improving overall energy. Benefit number 10, protects and revitalizes the skin. The beneficial compounds in garlic fight skin infections and promote youthful and healthy-looking skin. Thanks to antioxidants, garlic protects against damage caused by sunlight and other external agents, helping to keep skin elastic and radiant. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content.